Mom, that's eyeshadow. You're not supposed to put it on my eyebrow.
There was definitely no YouTube back in my days.
Definitely a color I would have worn in the 80s.
And this is where the finger comes in play.
I feel like I look like a clown.
Today my mom is doing my makeup.
And I feel excited yet scared about this.
I'm nervous. Last time I think you used mascara as your eyebrow.
Don't be scared, honey. Don't be scared.
They use a lot of bright colors and no lip liner and things like that.
I'm very confident. I think no problem. I can do anything.
I have 3 amazing daughters, and Crystal is our middle child.
I'm an only child. We've always been very close.
Usually Asian moms are very strict and like tiger moms, but she doesn't have that wall between us.
It's like a friendship.
It is a friendship.
Like I can tell her anything.
So 18 years old, was dating my high school sweetheart, a senior in high school, getting ready to graduate.
Oh, back then was the 80s and it was fun. It was Bananarama and Madonna.
That she's wearing a purple blazer and carrying one of her pieces. Oh, 35. Really? You look so young in there.
I always look young.
Are you ready to create a look?
Oh, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Okay.
The magic begins.
What I would have started with was filling in the eyebrows because I would want them thick and full.
Mom, that's eyeshadow. You're not supposed to put it on my eyebrow.
The first thing I would do, I would put some foundation on.
Mom, can you gently?
All the way to the end.
We didn't have
Beauty blender?
beauty blenders. We just would use our fingers.
My face is not sandpaper.
Your fingers?
Yes, our fingers. Our hands were clean.
I think we just didn't know about liquid liner or whatever, but we would use a pencil, an eyeliner, or eyebrow pencil like this.
No eyebrows.
Do quick job.
And we would light it with a match because that would soften it.
No primer.
That's romantic.
I don't know why. It's just what we did. Hot, but not too hot to burn her.
I would actually just kind of do it like this.
Very red here, like an apple.
Oh God.
And I know this is killing you, Crystal.
I'm cringing.
You see, make you looks like an apple.
What about like concealer?
No concealer.
Before always like you see in Chinese movie, like a circle, red circle here. Like I try to make it not that obvious.
Wow. Just because you happen to come up in the time of the YouTube tutorials.
I didn't come up in the time of YouTube tutorials.
Get. How much would you?
A lot.
Oh, that looks good. Okay.
Well, was there lots of makeup artists back then?
Well, they were makeup artists, but they weren't the girls who do the makeup on TV. Influencer.
It feels rough.
And more natural.
Like apple.
It looks good though. Beauty hurts.
The key here is to have lots of eyeliner. There's no ring lights. Our light was a light from the ventana, from the window.
Wet and Wild was everything.
So purple was your favorite color before?
I was that age. I have a lot of purple dress.
Oh yeah, that's exactly how I used to do my
I'm
eyeliner.
scared.
No need for lip liner back then.
Now I don't wear it anymore.
Why?
I'm too old.
And then we would just put some little bit of blush.
Was that your contour? Did you have contour?
No,
back?
we didn't. I didn't know what contour was.
We're done?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
And this is where the finger comes in play.
My mom used to say, at least put some lipstick on so you look like you care.
We used to use a lot of frost colors.
What about eyelashes?
No eyelashes.
And then another thing that I did, because I wanted to have a beauty mark,
We used to line it up like this.
I would use actually a black permanent marker so it would stay and I wouldn't get embarrassed. So I'm gonna give you one too.
And then we would have the little, what we used to call the McDonald arch, right in the middle.
Yeah.
Our most favorite thing is Aquanet. We used to just spray it up. Us Latinas called it the cha-cha look.
Taking a shower and hairspray.
Are we ready for the reveal?
Lista?
Give it to me. Oh, wow. This is very 80s.
Not too bad.
Mom, this is so.
It looks good, thank you.
Oh my god.
Doesn't she look beautiful?
I love it. It's
love it
fun.
I like this outfit though. This is super cute.
She used like 5 things on me, right? Like blush,
Blush.
no eyebrows.
I love the beauty mark. It's so cute. It's not something I would ever do, but for the 80s, I think it's like perfect.
Having her entire look on, I just feel very vintage and very sophisticated.
Yeah.
You can wear this look every day.
Not every day.
Well, someday.
The skirt's a little too long. Okay.
No, that's that time fashion.
I never do her makeup, but to be doing it and how I looked, she just looks so cute. She's like, oh, little 80s twinsy.
Do I look like you?
Actually, with the lighter and the way the picture look, I kind of think you do, yeah.
Best mom ever.
Best daughter. Favorite daughter.
I love you.
Am I the mom or is she the mom?